Hey everyone, welcome back to Chill with Sabi. I hope you're all doing well. Today, I'm going to unbox the public Indian truck from the Tiny Truckies series. This is the only diecast toy from India's leading toy brand, Centy Toys, which has been around since 1990. Looking at the package, it's made in India and features the ISI mark. This mark certifies that the toy meets the safety and the quality standard set by the Bureau of Indian Standards. So if you see the ISI mark on a toy, you can be confident that it's been tested and is safe for play. It's like a superhero badge for your toys. So before we dive into detail, let's unbox it. Holding it, I notice it's quite light because it's made of sturdy plastic. It features cool graphics and the non-toxic materials. This traditional Indian truck comes in a vibrant color and best of all, it has a pullback action. It also has a working model with an openable tailgate. While inspecting it, I feel that adding some die-cast metal to the top part of the body, maybe as base metal, would give it a more sturdy look. I love the colorful design on this truck. An openable door would be a great addition to it. I hope Centy Toys consider this in future design. Overall, it looks great and is safe to play with. It brings back so many childhood memories from growing up in India. And being obsessed with these trucks, now I have a mini version of the truck, which is really cool. I have other toys to unbox in future videos, and I would like to thank my dear friend Shilpa for bringing the Centy Toys from India. If you would like to know more about Centy Toys, check the link in the description. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more reviews videos. Until next time, keep exploring, keep smiling and happy collecting.